Hello mga Katibu fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our experience at Grand Westside Hotel located at Parañaque City. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end, guys! This hotel is located at the heart of entertainment hub in Parañaque City. Just a few meters away lang guys sa mga casino like Okada and Soler. For tourists naman, it's just 8 minutes away lang guys from Naiya Airport. This hotel is managed and operated by Mega World Corporation. Ito yung pang 13th hotel nila guys. I think nakakalima na ako out of 13. So marami pa tayong pwedeng puntahan at explore. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa kanilang lobby. Around 1 PM pa lang to guys pero they allowed us an early check-in. This is the newest hotel of Mega World. Nag-open lang siya last June 22, 2024. Ito rin yung biggest hotel dito sa Philippines guys. 1,530 rooms ito. Located at their lobby is yung kanilang Cafe by Westside Restaurant, Quick to Go, and Sabana Bar. Tomorrow guys, try natin yung kanilang Cafe by Westside. Sobrang na-excite na ako. After ko mag-video konti, ayan, paakyat na kami ito ng room. They also have available ATM machine dito sa lobby guys. Ang kinuha pala naming room is yung kanilang superior twin. Later, itutur kayo ng dalawang chikiting ko dito.
Hi guys, today we are at Grand Westside Hotel. Okay, so now we're gonna do the room tour. Let's start with the bathroom. So we have the sink, the shower, and the beautiful toilet. And in case you get bored on the toilet, you can call somebody while you're on the toilet. So guys, here's like like they give you water and stuff, and here's the ref with drinks. And then guys, you can put your stuff here or your suitcase and your other stuff. And then here's the beds, and then a table where you can do all your work in. Hello. A chair and everything, and like a tissue box and a chair.
Comfortable chair.
And the view of a green pool.
Auntie, look! There's another view here. There's another view here.
Oh.
There's another view here, Dad.
Okay guys, look at the TV. It's so big and I think it's so clean. Okay guys, that's the end of the room tour. Bye!
Guys, what I like most about this room is yung sobrang comfy ng bed and also okay din naman yung view namin. Overlooking namin yung kanilang bay and also yung Kingsford. Medyo maliit lang yung room guys, around 20 SQM lang ata to. Pero syempre dahil magkakasama kami, sobrang happy pa din. After namin kumain ng lunch, ayan, nagaya na yung dalawang chikiting ko, mag-swim na daw kami. Alam niyo naman, pag may mga kasama kayong chikiting, ayun yung unang gagawin niyo sa hotel. Before going to the pool, explore muna natin yung gym para syempre mapakita ko rin sa inyo. Guys, kakatuwa yung gym nila dito, kompleto sa gamit at also sobrang mga high-tech yung gamit nila dito. Sayang nga lang hindi talaga ako nag-gym guys eh. For weddings and events, meron din silang function room dito that can accommodate up to 300 guests. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa pool area. Sobrang excited yung mga chikiting ko. Syempre, ako din. Guys, kakatuwa tong Mega World na isipan nila maglagay ng kiddie pool dito na 2 feet lang. Kaya yan, kahit baby pa yung anak ko na si Danny, pwede ko siya iwan. Located at the pool area is yung kanilang mini bar kung saan pwede kayo mag-order ng food and drinks. Chinek namin yung menu guys, kaso walang mga shake. Sana next time lagyan din nila para mag-enjoy din yung mga chikiting namin. Guys, meron din pala silang jacuzzi area dito kung saan pwedeng mag-enjoy yung mga adults like me. Kaya yan, relax muna tayo. Guys, during our stay, hindi malamig yung tubig kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko and ng mga kids ko yung pagsiswim. Mas mainit guys yung tubig dun sa may kiddie pool. Hindi ko alam baka heated yun guys. Guys, yung mga mahilig pala dyan mag-Instagram, ang dami ditong pwede nyong pag-picturean. Ang ganda kasi ng view dito sa kanilang swimming pool area. After na mag-swim for 2 hours, ayan, nagaya na yung mga chikiting ko. Balik na daw kami sa room. At night time, nagaya yung family sa lobby nila para tumambay doon and also antayin yung mga in-order namin na food. Kakatuwa lang yung Mega World na nag-aalaw sila magpasok ng food kahit marami silang restaurant dito. Unlike dun sa isa namin napuntahan na hotel na hindi talaga kami pinayagan. Just in front of Westside Hotel guys, may kinoconstruct na building. Casino raw guys yung itatayo dyan. Ayan, ready na yung food namin. Umorder pala kami sa SM online store guys. Maganda bumili doon. Kasi pwede kayo mag-order sa lahat ng mga restaurant nila. Isa lang yung kanilang delivery charge. Minsan free pa nga like ito.
Good night. Nani, good night.
Good night.
Kinaumagahan, ayan, ready na yung family ko sa aming breakfast buffet. Sobrang na-excite talaga ako dito guys. Natuwa din ako kasi sumama si Daphne sa pagkain namin kasi itong anak kong to ayaw niya talaga nagbe-breakfast or gumigising ng umaga. Pero ngayon, yan, complete ang Tibu fam. Guys, kasama na pala sa binayad nyo sa hotel yung 2 packs na breakfast buffet nila dito. Pero syempre, dahil si Ate Daphne 8 years old na, binayad na lang namin siya. Half lang naman yung bayad guys, around 600 pesos lang. Guys, dito ako napawaw. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast buffet dito sa Grand Westside Hotel. Kakatuwa lang guys kasi nandito yung favorite ko na food, yung kanilang salmon. So guys, our verdict. I'm going to rate this hotel a 4.8 out of 5 stars. First is yung room. Sobrang relaxing yung bed nila sa loob ng room guys and also okay din yung view namin. Medyo masikip lang talaga yung room guys kaya for families na may mga kids, medyo struggle lang maglakad-lakad sa loob ng room. Next is amenities. Sobrang ganda ng pool dito guys. Sobrang mag-i-enjoy yung mga kids nyo. I like na meron silang 2 feet na kiddie pool kung saan pwede nyo iwan yung mga chikiting nyo. Meron din silang gym guys na high-tech yung mga gamit doon. Sayang lang kung meron lang sanang play area. Yun lang, dagdag nyo na lang yan Mega World. Lastly, yung food. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast buffet dito guys. Ito ang isa sa mga pinakamasarap na breakfast buffet na tikman ko dito sa Metro Manila. So guys, if you're planning to have a staycation at Parañaque, better check out Grand Westside Hotel. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!